Did it turn green? Green means go. Green means go.
It's blinking.
That's good to show.
It's blinking red. I think that's good.
Yeah, it's going because you see the time up here.
The fundraiser at Palmetto Friday night.
Is it videotaping you though?
No.
Because that's got to be edit.
I know. Please.
Well, there's gonna be no volume, right?
I don't know. Yeah, we'll play music instead of people talking. We'll do like a slideshow.
So typically, if we were doing like where I'm going to apply the color in between, I would not mix that until we're ready to use it.
Okay.
You can put it in the bowl, but once you start to mix it, typically it would start to oxidize, and then so by the time you're done, but that actually, that bowl right there has the MLA technology, so that's not going to oxidize. How long does it take to set up?
It's the brush with
So what you're going to see, you can see it, it's oxidizing on the top. Oh, that's how the brush is
And it has a filter?
stirring it, but when I dip it in the middle, it's not going to oxidize.
So it's like oil and water, so you put it on the idea.
It's amazing.
That's cool.
But like with your other colors though, typically, you know, this is
yeah.
so now you can see it oxidized, but see in the middle it's not.
Oh yeah. I do that all the time. I don't mix it, and then someone will come by and say, "You want me to stir this for you?" Sarah, let's see it.
All right.
You want me to stir this for you?
So now when I'm applying, because it has anise and mint as the fragrance, and that if you're going too aggressive with your application with the brush on the scalp, it can cause irritation to the scalp. And then the anise, it's almost like brushing your teeth and put mouthwash. It can give you like a little zing because it's meant to give you a cooling sensation. So you literally want to do just a patting motion. Yep.
We're going root to end. Right?
Yeah.
Root first.
But I'm just lightly patting. I'm not going that back and forth brush stroke.
Oh, nice. That's where Dance Infusion right next door. Yeah, they have that too. It's nice in there. It does a good job. It's not so big like the balloon. Right.
Now, I don't always go through and do oils and apply in between. It kind of depends on
Pretty big for a side.
what I'm looking for. You know, for a result, whether or not I need to do it separately.